Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today I'm going to try and escape this HIATT 1980 handcuffs with a clip from a Parker pen. I'll go into the side of the keyway, lean to the side and flick that double lock across, and go into the bottom of the keyway, lean back and to the side, knock the pulls off, and the side of the keyway on the other cuff, lean back and to the side and side, nope, get there eventually. Click that double lock off. Since that's gone so well and we have plenty of time left, I want to swap tools and go for a shim on this cuff. So all the way in with the shim, right up against the locking pole, and push the shim and the pole in together, and slide it out. That's all from us. See you next time.